What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we got something really cool in the mail. Can't wait to open this. Alright, so if you guys go into Targets and Walmarts, and if you guys know to look on the top shelf of certain items, and if you know how to read the codes here in the box, you'll be able to tell what this is right here. So this is pretty cool. I ended up getting this in the mail, and I'm currently outside because we just got it. And if you guys don't know what this is obviously a Spin Master box. And I'm going to give you guys the code here, so if you guys are trying to look for a truck or look for anything like that and see if your Targets or Walmart's have it, this is how you read this. So this obviously means Monster Jam right here. This is the 1/64 scale. I'm not too sure what these mean and what this means and what that means, but this means it's a 12 pack, and this also means that it's Mix 10 and it's Mix 10B, which by Mix 10B that means this is the Mix 10 assortment of Spin Master Monster Jam trucks. And the reason why this is B is because this has the chase piece, which is the ride truck Gravedigger. So really cool. These have not been found in Jersey. Mix 10 has been really hard to find. So far, the only places that you probably could find them is eBay, or if you get lucky enough, maybe if you live in California, you'll have it out there. But yeah, so 12 trucks in here. I'm not too sure if it is going to be exactly the 12 trucks, because I did get this from someone, so they could have opened it, took some. Yeah, so they kind of just gave me whatever they didn't need, so I don't know what could be in here. But if you guys were wondering what the box says and what these codes are, if you do see these at Walmart's or Targets or wherever you shop, and you see this right here, 12 pack Mix 10, that's how you read that. So with that being said, let's crack this thing open and see what trucks are actually in here. So this is pretty cool because I haven't found any Mix 10 trucks at all. So let's see. Of course, we're outside doing this, and it's actually really nice out today. And sorry if the camera is shaky. Of course, I can't open this. Let's see if I can open that real quick. Alright, so got a lot of cardboard. Put that here. Let's see what we got going on here. So the first truck that we're going to pull out, none other than Stone Crusher. Alright, pretty cool. So that's one truck. I think there are currently 9 trucks. Yeah, 9 trucks in Mix 10, so we got one. Let's see what else we got going on here. The second truck is none other than Scooby-Doo. Alright, so this is looking good so far. Next truck is Soldier Fortune. And so far, all these cards and everything are perfect too. So that's pretty cool. Next truck is Gravedigger. I thought that was the ride truck for a second. That's pretty cool, as you guys see. Mix or Series 10. Decent card. Alright, so truck 4. So I gotta move all this paper now. Let's see. Next truck, Queen Bee. So this is looking so far like the entire Mix 10 assortment here. It's definitely one of the biggest box openings I've ever had. Poodle. That's pretty cool. This truck's pretty funny. This thing's pretty, yeah, definitely different. Alright. The next one, El Toro Loco. I watch it say, you know, Mix 10B, and I don't have the Gravedigger truck. Alright, so the next truck should be Brodozer. Let's see if we're right. Let's see. This. Oh wow, look at that. That was actually in different cloth. And there that is. Pretty cool, dude. the ride truck gravedigger, and let's see, there's actually, is that all the trucks in here? Nope, we got one more, and last but not least, the inverse bulldozer. So pretty sick. Yeah, let's just check the box, see if there's anything else. Nope, all empty. And for the most part, that's how all the trucks come, in boxes. It's now starting to get a little chewy out here, but yeah, really cool. As you guys do see, we have the entire Mix 10 assortment here, and every single case looks pretty good. So I'm gonna pick up the camera. Yeah. So really cool. This thing is really rare right now, going for like 50 to 100 bucks on eBay. So really cool, and it looks like the card's in good shape as well. It is. Really cool looking truck. Got all Mix 10 right here. Really cool. Really cool. So yeah. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this box video or unboxing video, and hopefully you guys can find Mix 10 very shortly. If not, just sit tight and it will be by you eventually, I guess. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video very shortly.